Hey guys, Optimus Futures here, back with another Investor RT video, and in today's very short video, I'll be showing you how to place an order through the order desk. Now the order desk is great for traders that don't prefer to place trades through the chart or through a dome. This provides trader with the ability to precisely place a trade at any level of their specification. Now to access the order desk, you'll simply need to go to the toolbar in the top of the platform window, and if it is activated, you will see the order desk button. Now for some users, it has been reported that this isn't a default button, so all you'll need to do is go up to the setup preferences here, click on main toolbar, you can click on the customize section, and then just find the order desk here. As you can see, you can activate and deactivate it. And once you have that activated, just click apply. Then this will apply to the toolbar up here. So now we'll click on the order desk button. And as you can see, two windows will pop up. We have the trading order desk, which is what we're focused on. And then you also have the trading list. Now the trading list is great because if you are trading through the trade desk, then you can simply just populate this field with the symbol of your choice. So as you have saw, I put the E-mini of September 2018, and we can get some information about this. That way we don't have to go back and glance at our charts if we need to. And we can also trade directly through here. So I would suggest keeping the trade list up. Now as for the order desk, as you can see here, the first thing we see is the order type, and we can specify that here by clicking on this. And you get a couple different options here. We have a manual order, which is what we're currently on. As you can see, we are trading the E-mini S&P 500 of September 2018, which we have specified right here. If we didn't add that to the trading list, this field would be blank. Therefore, we would just need to manually input it. As for the other fields, we have our quantity. It's currently at 1. We have the time and force field. By default, it is set today. And as you can see, there are many other options here. There's good to cancel, fill or kill, fill and kill. A bunch of different options that can be used for different strategies. Speaking of strategy, you can select a strategy here if you have already created one. As you can see, we have not created any strategies for ourselves, so we'll leave this blank. As for your account, if you are trading on multiple accounts, it will populate here. You can also trade on simulated data. As you can see, I just simply selected that over, and now I am trading on simulated data. The simulated data will populate here, and you can see the bid and ask price as well as the last price that was in the market. But we'll go back to live data for our example. As for everything else, if you are in manual, this is where you will be selecting your order types, where my cursor is currently over. As you can see, we're currently on a market. As for the other order types here, there's market, market if touched, market on the open, market on close. And then you have your limit orders. You have a market to the limit. You have a stop. You have stop limits. Then you have your Finari, your trailing stops, and your icebergs. So let's say, for example, I wanted to place a stop. You can put your stop leg here, and you can adjust this manually, or you can click the drop down menu and you can go by tick. Now, for example, if I were to do a stop limit, I have both my stop leg and my limit leg. Again, you can either manually adjust this, or you can go in the drop down menu and precisely choose by the tick. And you can also set a trigger quantity. This is personal preference. You can type it manually, or you can go in here and select one of the predefined trigger quantities that they have available for you. Now, like I said, your first option here was your order. Again, we set this on manual because we wanted to set all our parameters to our liking, but it is possible where you can just do buy one limit. And then everything will be set up for you. You can click on these 3 drop-down menus, and you can actually customize this order type. So if you do use it, or you want to set up a little shortcut for yourself, you're able to do that and then save it. That way you have this preset buying option at all times. But for now, we just have the default that's provided. If you need to go in here and click on a flatten, you can flatten out your orders. Or you even have the shortcuts down here. We have our flatten all shortcut, our flatten position shortcut, and our get position shortcut. As you can see, the order desk is pretty straightforward, unlike your charts and your domes where there's a lot of customization options. This is for the trader that is looking for something straightforward and wants to place accurate trades with ease. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content related to the futures market.